Hi, my name is Sandy, and I'm a musician and producer based out of New York. And I'm going to show you today how I like to start off my recording process for a new song. I get ideas, little like melodies and lyrics while I'm in motion. Either I'm taking a walk, or I'm in the subway, or somehow just like in motion. So because of that, I like to start off using my phone to record the idea. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to take my phone and use Garageband, take this idea of a melody, and start the process of recording a song using that melody. I'm gonna take my chances, I'm gonna make it, I'm gonna take my chances anyway. I'm gonna take my chances, I'm gonna make it, I'm gonna take my chances anyway. We're gonna start by finding the tempo to that song. So with GarageBand open, click this little screwdriver, go to tempo, and you can go in there and tap to set the tempo. So, I'm gonna take my chances, ba-da-da-do-do, boo-da-da-do-do-do-do, ba-da-boo. Alright, so it's about 160. I'm gonna round to 160. And we're gonna make the song 24 bars for now. It comes at 8 bars, but we're just gonna extend it. So when you have this open up like that, you go to the little plus mark, or you can select section 8 and scroll up so you get 24. That should give us enough room for now to play with. And now we're ready to start our beat. There's a few options for drums. I'm gonna use the beat sequencer. Just gonna press play so I can hear the metronome. Okay, so I'm just gonna play around and start adding things, just beats, to see what feels good. Got a tom. That feels good. It's really simple, but we can add on to it later. So we're gonna record this and then add on top. So click the little red record button. We have our beat now, and now what we can do is record the vocals. So for this we will need our headphones, because we want to be able to hear the song to have a reference of where we're singing, but we don't want the song to be recorded through the microphone. We only want the voice to be recorded. So you're going to press this little plus on the bottom there and select the microphone. Check, 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 check. 1, 2. You'll see the little green thing go. Here I go. I'm gonna take my chances, I'm gonna make it, I'm gonna take my chances anyway. I'm gonna take my chances anyway. Okay. I'm gonna take my chances. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna take my chances anyway. Okay. So I'm gonna record that harmony line since it sort of just came to me. Let's do it. So we're gonna make another vocal track in the same way that we did the first one. I'm gonna take my chances. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna take my chances anyway. I kind of think it's cool when the harmony vocal comes the second time. So when it comes, you're surprised. You're like, whoa, what is this? Like something new. So I'm gonna take the harmony vocal and cut it so you can just drag this and cut to where you want. Maybe like a bass line would be really cool now. So let's try that. Let's try a bass line. Let's try a bass line. Plus button, and I want a synth bass. So actually, instead of going to the bass, you're gonna want to go to the keyboard. The keyboard is actually where the synth bass lives. I do everything by ear, so I'm gonna start by just finding the melody on the keyboard. So da ba da ba 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 da ba ba da da da. It's in D flat major, so we can play the song now and sort of like figure something out. I'm gonna take my chances. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna take my chances anyway. I'm gonna take my chances. I'm gonna make it. It's playing around. I'm gonna take my chances anyway. Okay. I'm gonna take my chances. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna take my chances anyway. I'm gonna take my chances. I think the last thing it needs is some like. I'm gonna